they shouldn't have a chance. I'm gonna try this product. Dimension, expensive, but 4 uses out of it. $40 a use, that's not too bad compared to something like prodiamine in a bag, which is $60 to $70. The Dimension, you're gonna need some surfactant. I've even got thoughts of putting down some iron, but our grass in our neighborhood and around our area is already going dormant early, but we haven't had any rain since July. It is now the end of August. Hopefully it'll be interesting. I'll show you the sprayer again. A lot of you guys have shown some interest in it. Go get your own, they work great. Saves a lot of time and money. Okay, so I've done something a little different. I went ahead and added both gallons of the iron that I have just for testing's sake. Let's see if it does any good. Okay, this is where I basically am driving blind. So I didn't put enough dye in, honestly. So I'm just following my tire tracks. Probably not the best way to do it. Usually the dye leaves enough marker I can see where I'm going. But coming up, watch the dispersal on this thing. Watch the coverage on the dirt. Not here, there. Look at that. That is beautiful. I do appreciate you guys. I had one viewer from New Zealand write me, and he mentioned this stuff. I may just buy it and try it. Maybe I'll do that next year. And I've got some other guys that have mentioned stuff. Guys, that's what it takes. Community, we're all giving suggestions, and I love it. It's great. So if something's expensive, I know the Dimension for me on sale was $160. I get 4 uses out of it, so not too bad, $40 a use. And some of this other stuff that's mentioned is 80 bucks. So you get half gallon. It just depends on how much is used in your mix. So if you spend $160 or if you spend 80, but have to use much more of the $80 bottle, it may not make financial sense. I'm always looking out for you, trying to come up with cost-effective solutions, and will continue to do so for my sake and yours. Okay, so that's a wrap on the Dimension pre-emergent plus iron, plus I forgot to show the dye, but you guys know how I use dye. Experiment. So hopefully the Dimension will work as well as I've heard, and the iron may or may not make a difference. It's worth the risk. It may just go dormant. I might lose it all, but if the grass soaks it up, it may look good. Okay, so the week following the iron experiment, I did get some green. I mean, it's not quite as yellow as it was. This is iron greening up my yellow yard. But yeah, we got some results from it. So I would say it was worth it.